What's up guys, today I'm back with a new video and maybe I will start a series around upgrading my 2016 PC. I don't know yet, we'll see. So let's do a quick run through the specs of my 2016 PC build. The motherboard is a Gigabyte H110S2H paired with an i3-6100 CPU with 8GB DDR4 RAM, a single GB G1 Gaming RX 484GB card, a TeamGroup 240GB SSD and some extra storage. And finally the case, which is an Aerocool Cruiser Star. When I built this computer I was on a tight budget of about $500, and now after almost 2 years I'm planning to do some upgrades in order to be able to edit my videos more efficiently and also for some casual gaming. So today, as you have read from the title, we are going to upgrade the RAM from a single 8GB DIMM to two 8GB DIMMs, so that's in total 16GB of RAM, which is the recommended amount of memory for video editing, and it also boosts my computer's multitasking and gaming performance. First off, I would like to debunk some myths about the RAM sticks. They do not need to be identical in order to work together fine. They just need to be spec'd the same, which means that they need to have the same speeds and the same cache. And of course, both of them need to be of the same generation, which means that if you have a DDR3, you'll need to get a DDR3 memory, otherwise it won't be compatible. So now let's proceed with the unboxing and installation of the memory, which is pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind to match up the shorter end with the shorter end on the motherboard's port. This 8GB RAM stick, which I will be installing today, is made by TeamGroup. It's a DDR4 RAM stick and it's clocked at 2133 MHz. And the old RAM stick, which was already installed in the computer, is made by Kingston and it's spec'd the same. So now I've booted up the computer, and as you can see, the extra 8GB of memory were recognized by the computer and everything booted up fine. Just keep in mind that the computer might take some time to boot up for the first time after the RAM installation happens. Don't panic, it's normal, and if it happens, just be patient. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So that was it, thanks again and see you in my next video.